Hi everyone. Welcome back to a new video, and today I'll be telling you the law why I got obsessed with Baghdad in the first place. So yeah, but if before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, and join my membership if you want to get some new stickers. I don't know if PC it, so yeah, PC. So I'm gonna tell you the real law why I become obsessed with it. So let's go back to December 26. Sorry guys, but I have the flu, so yeah. Don't know why am I even I don't know why am I even start making this video. But anyways. Yeah, so let's just go back to December 27th or 28th. I can't remember. So when I just was scrolling on like YouTube Shorts until I read yeah, also guys, I'm getting like a new phone in like 18 days. Yeah, and my grandma's birthday. So yeah, my phone is like very like it's a lot of scratches and yeah, a lot of scratches. But anyways, but and I was just going on YouTube Shorts. I just finished like one and it was about Windows, but I don't know Windows, but I don't know what PC. But they said they would give me a PC on Saturday, but it was a scam. But on Sunday it wasn't a scam, but it didn't have Windows 11, it only had Windows XP. So yeah. But until I made my own channel, so yeah. So I'm sort of made my own, but on the 29th I made it, and then the 30th and December 31st. So I don't feel like, because like like Connor, right? Like when I was like did my first ever collab on the channel. Yeah, he said don't make too much because I might get addicted. So I don't know. So I'm thinking I don't wanna be jealous. So I don't wanna still be jealous and make content like them. And yeah, I'm not gonna like be jealous because of wanna be like someone else. No, I'm not gonna be like that. So I said I was just gonna be myself. So I don't know what edit to do, but only 3 Windows edits. But in the New Year's, I made my first Android edit ever. I mean, Bagdroid. So yeah. But yeah. So I've been making a lot since February. I don't know how many subs, but I think it was 42 or 52. I don't know, like, but I like I've been like making like Bagdroid edits like since March, like the 15th or the 14th of March when I was at the birthday party. So I was making the best Android biggest updates ever. Yeah, like my whole life, like yeah. But until you guys supported me. So in March, but I but in March, my Wi-Fi was off, and yeah, I couldn't make any videos. So yeah, I kind of felt bad for myself because my mom doesn't have money because yeah. But hey, she quitted a job and she has a new one that pays her kinda well. Yeah, basically. Oh crap! Oh my gosh! What Spike? Okay, whatever. Let's just go to and yeah, basically I am just surprised, but on April I wasn't very happy because when I was just I have TikTok lit on my phone, so yeah, basically you get like offline videos because like TikTok lit is kind of useful. It's same as like normal TikTok, so yeah. And yeah, when I was on TikTok, and then my friend Madison, the pancake, I'm just gonna, okay. So basically, my friend Robodro, the dude I was exposing. Yep. But I said but I ain't gonna tell you that, but because yeah, I'm not gonna tell you the secret. Yeah, because it always gets angry. But hey, I've been in a lot of fights February, March, and also wait, I didn't go to school in like April. So yeah, basically, yeah, but I'm not scared. But anyways, I've been on 118 fights now. It's gonna be 119. Yeah, basically. How much? How much luck am I getting? How much luck? Frank. Alright, whatever. Where's Frankenstein? Yeah, basically. And yeah, I'm not making Android edits, so that's why I got addicted to yeah. And then this one command like got actually got me that we got Android edits before GTA 6. But uh, but hey, GTA 6 was supposed to release in May 26th, but hey, it's May 31st. Yeah, it's just the beginning. I don't want the things yet to start. No. Anyways, yeah. So I made like tech content and phone edits. Yeah, and I'm not starting to see the new me again. I mean the old me again. Yeah. So basically, There's not a lot of Android editors on the YouTube platform, but there is on TikTok. Okay, well, but now that my best friend named Moonlight Cheese, so I did a post, should I bring back the Android list because they will peak? So he said yes. But yeah, but I don't feel like making it because I'm like way too lazy. So I don't feel like because sometimes I don't feel like I want to make a phone edit again because finding this same photos, finding the same trailers, and yeah, it's like too hard. So yeah, basically the thing is, take a lot of space, eh? But yeah, basically, yeah, that's. So basically, yeah, yeah, I already have. So, so somebody told me about I should make a law of this. Yeah, I wasn't even there to do this. I was like, alright, bet I will post it. In my mind, I was like, alright, bet, no, don't take it from the mind, take it from the heart. So that's why I kind of made it some edits because I thought it would be fun. Because yeah. I don't know why I kind of hate Apple because like it's just like kind of like suffering like a lot. Like yeah, like seriously. I want like the good iPhone. Like I want like the iPhone 8 Plus because it's kind of good at 60 FPS. Even the Samsung A05. The iPhone is 17. iPhone A17, yeah. But yeah. I try my best editing and yeah. But y'all appreciate me so much. But you think I might end the video, right? Nah, psych. You thought I would. You idiots thought I would end this video. Nah, not even a chance, dude. And yeah. Yeah, not even a chance. And also, so when I was at 75 subscribers, right? So then I don't know what happened. So when I did so I saw this dude stealing my edits, and his name was freaking Moonstar. Look at Bro's BFBF. Bro's been stealing my Android edits. My precious poor Android edit. He doesn't flippin' and I made a short from it. You can even go to the oldest bruh. You can still find it. Yeah. Okay, well, yeah, the my precious edits. He doesn't know how much he worked on it, and bro, it's still 26 likes. I mean 24 likes. I mean 23. I mean, but I would like to see my edits. Bro, just lie straight into my face. Bro, say I still templates. Now why is the screen so big and why is it zoomed in? Save the video. Just let this to my edits. Yeah, basically. Just use the templates. Okay, now I understand. I understand. Now why will those photos look like that was edited by me? So that's why I forced my friend, yes, my friend Connor, to create his own channel called Mr. Cupcake. So I'm his backup plan. Yeah, and so I would open so he could stop stealing my own Bugdroid edits. Yeah, and also you can leave and he created another flippin'. The reason why I'm coughing is because, bro, because I could. The reason why I'm coughing because I forced him because I couldn't let my own friend betray me. So he created a cringe, a zesty art channel for me. Tyler X Connor. Oh my gosh, bro, that's so weird. Tyler, he eat it. I don't like it when my best friend Connor, when he makes edits and then posts some emojis. I just don't like that. So laggy. But yeah. Yeah, yeah, basically, yeah, I just lost. Bye. Yeah, and he even collabed with me just to make it edit. And he stole my edits again. I don't like that. Bro, Connor, if you're watching this right now, you don't know how much my mentality problems are. Yeah, usually I just say that to my class. Like, yeah, basically I just say that to my class. Okay. So yeah, I basically and yeah. So he then Connor unsubscribed to my channel because bro thought you were stealing my videos. But he said he got templates. No, that's just a huge lie. Now, why do I see a big screen and why is the screen zoomed in? And then why does that photo still look like that was mine? I created it. I created that. It was not me, it was you. So I forced you. Yeah, so we're gonna add a fight. So yeah, I basically had to fight because I was scared. This was a whole drama situation, and I feel like I always wanted to swear at school, but you can't swear at school, or there might be consequences because bro, I have like kind of like strict teachers at my school, so yeah, but not that many strict teachers. Mostly, a lot of them are kind of nice. So yeah, I said as the I selected on the face, I I don't know how to fight. So they just said I can't swear though because like oh my parents is gone or like if my grandma or if like in their room, but like like this bosom dude named Zinedine said can make big man shut your dumbass up. I can only say the A word because like yeah because like I can't swear because like my parents will only allow me to swear when I'm 18. I can only say the A word for now, but yeah. And yeah, not the N word. Because it's kind of racist. But that dumbass needs to, yeah, I only need like legal swear words that are, legal to, say in Roblox and on, but that is kind of bull. That's a bullshit, man. Like, you can't make better edits, he's way too laggy. Yeah, he's kind of racist, so this is my edit. Collapse me, and then I'm the backup plan, then yeah. So I created this channel for him. Now who is his master of creating background edits? But well, yeah, well this is kinda a biggie. Are you serious right now? So, yeah, but basically he just likes, yeah, he creates Android edits and then on Easter he posts random, it's post Roblox videos and yeah, you are subscribed to my channel because I thought he was in my 8 bit. He finally tell the truth. Now I can. Thank you so much, Connor. Now I can finally see you through colors. Ow! Oh, what? I don't know. Well, yeah, basically. I'm gonna turn this off. Well, basically, Yeah. So, yeah. Since y'all have been giving me the headache, yeah. Wait, where are my aliens? Oh damn, I kind of left him. Nah, it's good. She's kind of useless, but I kind of like. The real reason why my bug edits, it's because it's not my fault. I'm much more famous than you.